Warren police officer charged for attacking a suspect at the city jail.
$50 million lawsuit alleges excessive force and claims police violated the victim's rights.
Are instituted against the accused. As the commissioner indicated, he is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
What happened to our nephew Jaquwan Smith in Warren police lockup is now at the center of a $50 million lawsuit.
Show me the money!
The officer accused of assaulting the 19-year-old earlier this month, Matthew Rodriguez, has been fired and charged with assault.
There were no broken bones. He did have, there were contusions. There was the head trauma from being, the blunt force trauma from being slammed into the concrete, from being punched in the face, which was another head trauma.
Attorney James Harrington says there were a few words exchanged right before Officer Rodriguez punches Smith in the head.
Officer Rodriguez called him a little.
Even if the facts may be that as it may in the video, perceive something, he has a duty to defend himself. And his rights are going to be ensured under due process of the law from our office.
And in all of my years of public life, I have never obstructed justice.
And he said, I ain't no.
The lawsuit alleges excessive force, a violation of Smith's civil rights, and accuses the Warren Police Department of failing to properly train and supervise officers.
But this is exactly what the public expects. They expect somebody to get out in front of it, don't cover it up, bring it to the attention, and make sure that they're heard loud and clear.
Well, I'm not a crook.
The lawsuit also targets the two officers that Smith's attorney says failed to stop the assault on his client.
This is unacceptable and not tolerable. And as a result, I appreciate and respect the duty of those officers to do what they did. It took courage.
What happened to our nephew Jaquwan Smith in Warren police lockup is now at the center of a $50 million lawsuit.
They never intervened. They were actors, they were part of this brutality, and they will be held responsible as well.
It took courage.
You're the biggest liar I've ever met.
Warren Police Chief William Dwyer says those two officers did not see the initial takedown, but did report what they saw to their supervisor.
And I commend them for their actions to be able to intercede that quickly.
For you to tell me such a bald-faced lie and insult my intelligence.
But they did what they were trained to do.
Warren police say Smith was taken to the hospital for medical attention. His attorney says there was a 5-hour delay in getting him medical care.
And I would expect this from all of the law enforcement, not only in this county, but throughout this country. Thank you for your time.
I am not sure why they were such a rush to file the lawsuit.
Matthew Rodriguez has been charged with misdemeanor assault. It also turns out he has a history of alleged excessive force.
There was a lawsuit against him, and it stemmed from one occurrence with two different plaintiffs. One of them was settled, one of them was dismissed on qualified immunity.
I'm not going to talk about his past disciplinary record because I'm having a hearing.
Jane, that's right. Come on, Jane. You don't deserve this.
Not able to respond to that second part of the question.
Smith remains in the Macomb County Jail on a $250,000 bond.
That's no way to serve nor protect.